think it's a total hoax.
9/11 is an inside job. It's been orchestrated by the Bush administration.
They blew up those buildings and they basically put it in our faces and said, look, we can do whatever we want to do.
We're living in a soft dictatorship where the real truth is hidden. The media is just the propaganda arm anymore of the military-industrial congressional complex.
We had to be asleep a long time for it to get this far.
It's an absolute sham.
We gotta get rid of this fucking government.
I'm afraid that Obama will take us to hell.